We are pleased to show you the 2014 Lincoln MKS. With standard features including an invisible keypad that senses your arrival, intelligent access keys that allow ignition at the touch of a button, and a power rear window sunshade, the Lincoln MKS is technologically breathtaking. Boasting a 3.7-liter V6 engine, it is also powerfully smart. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, remote engine start, power sunroof, power driver's seat, stability control, heated seats, traction control, alloy wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.